Welcome to the in front of me Lenovo TAB 48, and I'll show you how to take screenshots without buttons on this device. So first you should open the notification bar, and here you will see the screenshot icon. Just tap on this icon, and right now you'll see the screen, and you can also change the size of the screen by this way. Also you can edit the screen, you can save it, and as can you see we are taking the screen right now, and then you'll just find the screen in your photos on your device. Just right now go to your file manager, okay, and right now you'll see here in your images folder the screenshots album, and just tap here to this album and you will find your screenshot. So that's it, that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.